Okay, now we're on to episode 3 of 6. Remember, we still have our spreadsheet. Welcome to Go Far with Brent. I'm Brent. Like I said in the introduction, this is episode 3 of 6, where we're going over tire inspections. So we're going to cover tire pressure, tire tread depth, and also look for any unusual wear. I don't think there is any. My tires are fairly new, but it doesn't hurt to check. Here we are at the front tire. Position the camera in a very specific way because I want to point out a couple of things. Like I said earlier, we're going to check the tread depth, we're going to check the tread condition, and we're going to check the tire pressure. So to start with the tread depth, I have this tread depth tool that I bought. I'll put a link in the description that more or less has a probe that comes out the bottom. And the way it works is you extend the probe by pressing on the top. Without the glare. There we go. So that tells you what the tread depth is in 30 seconds of an inch. That's the standard that the tire industry uses. So what you do is you extend it out and then you press it into the tire until it bottoms out. Anything that is, let's see, there we go. Anything that's less than 30 seconds of an inch, that means your tires need to be replaced. Anything between 2 and 3, you should really consider doing it. And as you can see here, I'm just over 3. So Fiona's going to need new tires before too awfully long, but for now, she's okay. So, and the reason why I had the camera set here is you'll also see that the tread isn't completely flat, that there is a little bit of an uneven surface. This amount is okay, but if it were any more, I would be concerned about the suspension on the motorcycle. So in this case, the suspension's okay. There is wear. It's getting towards the end of its useful life. Another thing to point out on Dunlop tires, there's a little Dunlop symbol. And that indicates where the wear bar is. So if we follow that over to the center of the tread, you'll see a raised area inside the tread. Here, the wear bar is not quite to the tread surface, but it's getting close. That's another way if you don't have a tread depth measuring tool. And then last of all, let's go ahead and check the tire pressure. I've positioned the tire so that the valve is right next to us. I have this simple tire pressure gauge, and we press on here. And we are at 35, 36 PSI. The recommended tire pressure is 36. So we are okay. All right, here we are at the rear tire. I'm going to use the same tread depth gauge and measure the tread depth. So if you look closely, you can see the Dunlop tire logo. If you follow that around, there's a wear bar, and you can feel it right there. That is where you can tell visually how well the tires are worn. So I'm going to go away from that and measure the next tread V up. The reason I'm measuring in the center of the tire is I do a lot of straight line riding. So my tires tend to be flatter on the top or flatter in the middle. I don't do canyon carving with Fiona. So same gauge, press in. And in this case, my rear tire is in better shape than the front. So we're about 4.5, almost 5, 30 seconds of an inch. The reason why is I've replaced the rear tire more recent than the front. I usually run until the tires need to be replaced, so I don't always replace them as a set. Same as the front, we're going to check the tire pressure. And the recommended tire pressure is 40 PSI, so we are good to go. One last thing, looking at the tread condition, like I said, it's worn more in the middle, but I don't see any bumps or rough areas. Looking at the tire overall, it's in good shape. I don't see any damage to it. So that is the front and rear tire pressure and wear. So that covers how to inspect the tires. We've checked tread depth, we've checked tire pressure, and we also look for uneven wear that could be a sign of misalignment of the rear tire. Everything looks good. So looks like Princess Fiona is good until 40,000 miles. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and hit the bell to be notified of more content. And as always, thanks for watching. Go Far with Brent.